All right, so today we have the JBL Bluetooth speaker, 1000 milliamp battery, so it means you can play up to 10 hours. That's it, IPX7. You can even drop in the pool and much more. I show you this. All right, so how we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab, and we got this great Bluetooth speaker. We're gonna test it and we'll see this right now. All right, so right over here we have the Bluetooth speaker, 10 hours, and this is very famous because of the clip. So what allow you to hang right in your backpack, in your bicycle, in your motorcycle, almost anywhere there is something to be hanging. Right now you're looking at about 10 hours of playing time. So price, it has a real nice bass and pretty loud speaker. So let's see what we get out of the speaker. All right, the speaker here, yes, the clip. So push this thing. Oh, it's hard to come out of here. Yeah, that's it right there. And here we should get cable, orange cable, macro USB, and type A for charging. You can charge this laptop, computer, power bank, and much more. Whatever it is a USB, you can charge it. Now instructions how to use it, no problem, you get out of this video. Now let's look here so you can see real nice what we have over here. Nice logo, JBL. Okay, we see here volume control. We can see the volume control in here, play and pause. Now nice design here. If you drop it, stays there because of the way the plastic right there. Now the famous clip, so you can match it up. You can clip this anywhere there is something to be clipped. Okay, right there. And if we look right over here, clip 3, this is nice and close right over here, so water will not get in. And what we have here in USB, micro USB, and the aux as well too, right? So you can connect audio from all the devices. And this one, by the way, even it has a microphone as well too. Now power and the Bluetooth as well too. So let's turn it on. Yeah, good way to start off. Okay, yes, that's it. We turn it on right there. Now power wise, when you apply power to this, it will show you, and I want to show you guys that as well too. Okay, where is the light to let you know it's charging? Right there is the red light. Okay, so it means to require charge. Leave it there a few hours, 3 to 4 hours, and you should get the full charge out of that. When you turn it on, it has a cool white LED light. We seal that out in case we're going right in the pool. Now when you pair, it's called JBL Clip 3, by the way. All right, and let me check, make sure it's all paired. And yes, it's paired, JBL. So let me play a track, right? Remember what we got in here, right? We're hearing through the microphone, but you will notice the bass as well too. So this one you want to pump up a little volume here so we can hear the difference. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to bring my volume for about 50%. Okay, so this is 50% out the speaker. Let's wait there. Let's wait to start clicking, and let's bring the volume up now. See, nice high there. Let's bring it about 80%. That's 80% of the volume. Okay, you guys can feel the bass. I remember it's a small speaker and it has a nice punch. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be at 100%. Nice volume, right? Now let's bring the volume down. Now what I'm thinking about the speaker, okay, one of the benefits you get of this one is the clip. So they allow you to hang backpack, bicycle, anywhere, right? Camping, on the tent. Another thing is you can be right in the pool, no problem. It just falls in the water. That's it, and you can just take it out and you'll find. But what it becomes super portable and what allow you to play, we're looking at about 10 hours, only 3 hours of full charge. It has a nice bass, right? Buttons are pretty simple to press, and I like here also close real nice tight, so water will not get in there. So this is one of the benefits you get out of this JBL. I think it has a good bass compared to the size of the speaker. Okay, so it has a nice bass, you know, compared to the size. It will surprise you how much punch you get out of this tiny speaker. You can see right in my hand, so you can really see how big this thing is. It's definitely a cool speaker, and I think again the benefit is you can drop in the pool, take it camping, hang anywhere, hang in the tree, whatever it is, something to be hanging, that's the speaker you want. Now the JBL Clip 3. All right, so how to get the hands on the cool JBL and Clip 3? Well, pretty simple. Just grab my link right below this video, right? And now you can go and buy one of these. Cool, sounds really nice, guys, really nice, and a super portable speaker. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.